place, Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world gone bad.
Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm still in Chiang Mai at the moment. We're not going to hang around here long this morning. Going to head up to Chang Rai. It's about 180 kilometers, kind of northeast from here. I want to go to Chang Rai because I've been told by a few people on my travels that there are some rather unique and interesting temples up there. This area, sort of Chiang Mai and around here, is very famous for temples. I think there are over 1,000 temples in the Chiang Mai area alone, but these three are supposed to be, yeah, just a bit different and quite unique. So I wanted to go check those out, and also it's about time for another motorbike ride. It's been a couple of weeks since I've been on one, so hired myself a Honda CB 500. I want to go up and back in the one day, so thought I'd get myself a bit of a bigger bike. Plus, it's also it's been a while since I've been on anything over a 250, so it'll be nice to get on something a bit bigger, a bit more powerful, and go out and have a bit of fun on the road. So yeah, next stop Chang Rai. Let's get into it. So I've arrived here in Chang Rai after that nice little ride. Not the most exciting one I've had since I've been here in Thailand, but always nice to get on a bike. Arrived at my first stop, Wat Rong Kung, I think that's how it's pronounced. Otherwise known as the White Temple. So yeah, let's go check it out. I'm here at the main entrance to the White Temple. It's a project of a well-known Thai artist, Chalarum Chai Kozipipat, and I'm sure that's not how you pronounce it, so I'll put his name down below. We wanted to create this to honor Buddha's purity, and a lot of the temple is dedicated to depicting samsara, which is the Buddhist cycle of life and death. So I've got to the actual entrance of the temple now. I have to take my shoes off, and I did see a sign saying no photos, so unfortunately I don't think I'll be able to show you anything inside, but I think I'll check it out anyway. So that was really cool. I had read that it's different to any other Buddhist temple. Very contemporary. So like other Buddhist temples, all the walls inside were covered in murals, but These ones were a lot more modern. I saw references to Transformers, Ninja Turtles, Batman, Superman, Neo from the Matrix, Elvis, Michael Jackson. So yeah, it's really cool, really something different. So behind me here you can see this gold building, and it is actually a toilet. It's often jokingly said that it's the best toilet in Thailand, and I don't think they're far off the mark there. Another interesting thing about this temple is it was actually funded by the artist himself. He sold a whole bunch of artwork and used the money to build this temple. Yeah, it's pretty special. I've arrived at the second destination. It's called the Bandam Museum. So this was actually designed and built by the student of the guy who did the White Temple. And his name is Thawan Duchani, and he kind of designed this to be contrast, the opposite of the White Temple. So the White Temple was sort of a representation of life and the afterlife, heaven, and this is supposed to be a representation of hell. So apparently there's a whole lot of crazy things in there, like dead animal skins and bones, things like that. So yeah, it should be pretty interesting to go and have a look. There are over 40 different buildings scattered throughout the grounds here at the Black House. So you can't go in the majority of them. The only one you can really go in is that main one, the first one. But all the rest usually have little viewing windows so you can have a bit of a look in. And the grounds are immaculately done, decorated with stones and trees and sculptures, and yeah, it's amazing. Now I did read that all the animals that were used to make this artwork died of natural causes. I really hope that's true, because it definitely makes it a bit less macabre. Wow, so that was just incredible. Just the array of things on display and the craftsmanship that has gone into it and the creativity to put everything together. There's just so much stuff here to look at. It's, yeah, really quite an incredible experience. I probably prefer this one more than the White Temple, to be honest, because I really love woodwork, and I just like sort of like the rustic feel of this one. The White Temple is incredible, a marvel, but personally I prefer this one. I'm gonna have to call it a day here. I was hoping to go and visit, there's also the Blue Temple here in Chang Rai, but I have well and truly run out of time. I have to be back in Chiang Mai at 6 and it's 3 o'clock now, and it's at least a 3-hour drive or 3-hour ride from here back to Chiang Mai. So yeah, that was a bit of a look around the White Temple and the Black House, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Ciao.